Good morning, children. We have completed lesson number 3, that is forest. I have told you about a forest. What is forest? You must be knowing. Forest is an area where the earth is covered mainly by a very large number of trees, and due to large number of trees, various types of life forms also exist in forest, and that we can see it in this picture. Various animals you can see, and they all exist in forest. Then what is the average temperature needed for a forest to grow? That is 10 degree, and the rainfall should be minimum 200 mm. Here you see in this picture, early men were dependent on the forests for their livelihood. Here the advantages of forests are there. The trees purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide. Then trees also help in checking global warming by absorbing carbon dioxide. Then forests act as natural absorbers of rainwater. Then you have read about forest prevent soil erosion. Trees bind soil particles with their strong roots. Then forest prevent floods because the soil is held by roots of trees. Then forest help to bring good rainfall also, and forest also serve as home to many types of animals. Different forest products also you read. Those forest products are wood, that is timber, then medicines and spices, then gums, resins and dyes, then special leaves. Those special leaves are areca nut leaves and tendu leaves. Then you see honey is also obtained from forest. Then bamboo. Then special products. These special products are sandalwood, lac and rubber. Then you see we also read about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. And why do the men cut trees? Because they need more land to make houses, they need wood for construction, and they need some trees for their specific use. Then what are the harmful effects of deforestation? Harmful effects of deforestation are it decreases rainfall in the surrounding areas. Then it increases in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and because of that only global warming is there. Then it decreases in the levels of groundwater in the nearby areas. Then cutting down of trees increases in soil erosion, and then it disturbs habitat of a number of plants and animals. Now, how to protect forest? It is our responsibility to protect the forest, and for that our Indian Parliament has enacted one act. That act is Forest Conservation Act. And in which year this act was enacted? In 1918. And according to its rules, the indiscriminate cutting of trees in forest is a punishable area. Our government has also established various national parks and sanctuaries also. Then national parks, here you can, in this picture you can see Asiatic lion and then a pair of Siberian cranes. Now Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia, and here in the Himalayan foothills, Corbett National and the Dudhwa National Parks are there. It was your homework in our previous class. Then how can we contribute towards forest conservation? By minimizing the use of wood and good products. Then by not using products that promote destruction of forest, and by celebrating the growing of plants as a festival and involving more and more people in this activity, and this festival is known as Van Mahotsav. Now we all know the use of forests are air purifiers. Here I told you about Chipko Andolan. Chipko means Hug the Trees movement. It was originated with an incident in a remote village high up the Himalayas. The name of that village was Rainy, and the women hugged the tree and thus they protected the trees from being cut. Now today you see the keywords. So today's homework will be A, B, C and keywords. ABC part today we will discuss it now, and this keywords also I am going to discuss, and these all you will write in your science notebook and then submit it on our WhatsApp group. First you see about afforestation. What is afforestation? The process of large scale planting of trees. Means planting of more and more trees is known as afforestation. Then bird migration. Some birds migrate from their own country to our country, and that is a seasonal movement. Here it is written, a regular seasonal movement along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds undertaken by species of many birds. Then canoe. Canoe is a lightweight narrow boat. Deforestation, you must be knowing, cutting down of trees, that is large scale cutting of trees. Then forest. Forest, you have read in this lesson, a forest is an area with high density of trees. Then refuse, a place providing shelter and protection. Then scaffold means a temporary structure used to support people and material during construction or repair of any building. Now something to know. A part, I will send you the PDF also of your WhatsApp group. But first let us discuss. Forests serve as home to many types of, what will be here? Animals. Animals. Then second is, forest absorb large amount of which gas? Carbon dioxide. C-A-R-B-O-N. Carbon. Then D-I-O-X-I-D-E. Carbon dioxide gas. Then third is deforestation, dash rainfall in the surrounding areas. What will be here? Decrease or increase? It will be decreases. Deforestation decreases rainfall. D-E-C-R-E-A-S-E-S. Decreases rainfall in the surrounding areas. Now here it is, fourth number. Dash is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. Which bird sanctuary is largest? Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Here what you will write? Bharatpur. B-H-A-R-A-T. Bharat. P-U-R. Pur. Bharatpur Bird. B-I-R-T. Bird Sanctuary. S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y. Sanctuary is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. Then next is, for early man, forests were a source of what? Dash and dash. Food and shelter. F-O-O-D. Food here you will write, and then shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Now come to B number, that is match the following. Here what you will match? Raisins. It will be matched with paint. In match the following, correct answer you will write in front. Don't do this type of zigzag that you are drawing the line to match them. Suppose here you have written raisins. Here only put you a small hyphen and here you write paint. So understood? In this way you have to write them as the following. Forests. Here you will write, put hyphen, and here this will be the correct point to be matched. Soil conservators. Forest, soil conservators. Third, deforestation. Again put a small hyphen. Here you write cutting down of trees. Ashwagandha. Again here you put a small hyphen and then you write medicinal plant. Gums. Here again you put hyphen and you will write adhesives. Now pick the correct option. This is MCQ. 4 options are given in C questions. You have to correct one option. That is correct only. The leaf used to make disposable plates. You tell me 4 leaves are given. Tendu leaf, amla leaf, areca nut leaf and brahmi leaf. Which will be the correct answer? Areca nut leaf. The leaf used to make disposable plates is the areca nut leaf. Then second is deforestation results in 4 points are given. Soil erosion, floods, low rainfall, all the above. We will write here all the above because deforestation results in soil erosion also, floods also and low rainfall also. So what will be the answer of second point? Second question, all the above. Then third, you see what is written. Bee wax is used to make spices, varnish, medicine, adhesives. 4 options are given. What you will write? It will be medicines. Bee wax is used to make medicines. Next 4 is which of the following is not a forest product? Means so many products you have read which are found in the forest. You have to write here which is not the forest product. Gum is found in the forest. Timber is found in the forest. Ashwagandha, medicinal plant is also found in the forest. Then 4th option is kerosene. Kerosene oil, it is not found in the forest. So what will be the answer of question number 4? Which of the following is not a forest product? You will write here kerosene. Now you see the 5th question. If forest disappear, the amount of, you tell me what will be the correct option. First option is carbon dioxide in air will decrease. Oxygen in air will increase. Carbon dioxide in air will increase. Nitrogen in air will increase. What will be the correct answer? Yes, if forest disappear, the amount of carbon dioxide in air will increase. So that's all for today, children. ABC we have discussed in this class. You have to write down ABC and keywords of this lesson. This is only your homework, and then this science notebook, you will write it in science notebook. You submit your science notebook on our WhatsApp group, and tomorrow in our next class we will discuss about the D part answers. So that's all for today. Goodbye. Thank you.